guys, so next up for this morning is Ethereum, or ticker symbol ETH. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame. This will allow us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Let's get to it. All right, so this morning we're down and fluctuating between 3 and 5%, you guys. I will first go over the lines real quick, and then we'll break down two of the individual candlesticks. So this top line represents our major resistance. You can see once we came up, we had trouble breaking past this area. Once we broke past this resistance area, it'll work as a support. And you can see that once we broke above that, we came down and tested the support here. And then once we broke back underneath, like I said, it'll work as resistance. And you can see once we broke underneath this, that we had trouble breaking past that and ultimately failed and pushed us all the way down to our major support line down here. And this line has been tested about 4 times just in this area. You can see we bounced from here, and from here, okay? And then we look left, you can see this is where we initially started this bull run from over here. And you can see it started right on this support line. And then underneath, for more clarity or more clarification, you can see that we had trouble breaking past this, because once it's underneath, it'll work as resistance. And you can see that it was working as resistance back here. And then obviously this line right here is our minor resistance and support. You can test that right here. Trouble breaking past over here, and currently where we're at. So let's go and zoom into here. Alright, so I said yesterday on the updated video that I made that we would have to break past this 2,474 level to actually consider this a upward trend. However, we're starting to pull back underneath this resistance, you guys, so we have to be very cautious. If we can continue to create this upward trend and pull back onto this $2,500 level, then this could be a great ideal entry. You would have your stop loss right underneath this previous candlestick, and that being at the $2,376 level, you guys. But with this just breaking above and then pulling back under, it's not really a good sign. However, the depth and penetration of this candlestick pulling all the way up here is also another good sign. We just have to be really cautious, because it's kind of just teeter-totting between under this resistance. And so if we can break back above this, you guys, and retest this level at the $2,500 level, this could be a great ideal entry. You can even see that we're resting right on top of this trend line, so that is another good sign, you guys. So overall, I don't really see this as a bad buy, but I would personally wait until we can actually show more of a confirmation that buyers are here and that buyers are stepping up. It kind of just shows me right now that we're in a little bit of a tug of war, and we just have to stay precautious and end up and see what happens. So let me go down to the 1 hour chart so we can have a more accurate look at each individual candlestick. So you can see we came up, we did technically bounce off this support, we came up and failed and now pulled back under this resistance. Okay, so this is a more clear direction on where you can actually see what's going on, and you can see that we're about to come back up and retest this resistance. So this is where you want to keep watching, you guys. If we can break past this, then this could be a great buy, but as of right now, with us being under this resistance, I would not consider this a good buy until we can break above that. All right, so just keep a close eye on this, you guys. If we can break past that, then I would get in. Have your stop loss maybe underneath these candlesticks, like I said, at the $2,300 level or the $2,400 level. This all depends on how much you are willing to risk on each trade. Okay. And sorry that I'm making this a little bit faster than usual. I have a lot of stuff I have to do today. So, and I got about 6 or 7 more stocks that I have to break down this morning. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. So if I made this fast and efficiently for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. Let's be patient and see what happens if we can continue with this upward trend that we have and break past this resistance. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.